Get litty.
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Good. Were you trying to flag me down?
No, I was just waving at you.
Okay.
I'm always friendly with police, so I just always wave to them, high five them and stuff. And
Gotcha.
just,
Well, when I see someone out on the road,
No,
I
just-
don't know if there's a wreck.
no, I'm sorry. No, I was just waving to you, man. I'm just always friendly with cops, man.
Gotcha. All right, no problem. Like that. I just want to make sure it wasn't a wreck.
No, man. Hey, I appreciate that, man.
A little fist bump.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Your cops don't usually shake hands.
No worries.
My dad told me that, and I still do it.
Yeah. Hey, because I have stopped you, I at least got documented the stop. You have your driver's license on you there?
I do.
Fill out a contact form real quick. But yeah, normally.
All right, so I didn't break the law or anything, right?
No.
Okay.
No, I just want to make sure there was no issue. Because like I said, if someone flags me down, I just want to make sure it wasn't, someone. I've had pedestrians hit before. I've had wrecks.
Right.
So, yeah.
I do have a concealed weapons permit, but I don't have any weapons on me.
Okay.
There's my license.
You want to?
Let's see. Registration, that should be the valid one. And I have insurance on my phone. Do you want me to pull that up?
If you could, that'd be fine.
All right.
And I'll just document a contact form and get you on your way.
All right, Bubba.
I don't get stopped often, so. Oh, there you go. Is this just a contact form? Like it says no points, no fine? More than anything, I'll just make sure there's no issues going on out there. All right?
Hey, bro, I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
Be
Have a
safe
good
out there, all right?
one. Take care.